Carboxylic acid. Organic compound which contain the carboxyl functional group are called as carboxylic acid. The name carboxyl is derived from carbonyl, that is C double bond O, and hydroxyl, that is OH, because in the carboxyl group these two groups are directly bonded to each other. So here is the structure of carboxylic acid represented in two different ways. Carboxyl groups are further classified as monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid. The long chain monocarboxylic acid are commonly known as fatty acid. Acidity of carboxyl acid. The carboxylic acid are weak acids and ionize in water according to the following equation, that is RCOOH plus H2O gives RCOOH negative charge plus hydronium ion. The equilibrium constant K equation is equal to concentration of RCOO negative charge into concentration of hydronium ion divided by carboxylic acid plus H2O. So, the Ka value of carboxylic acid fall within the range of 10 raised to the power minus 4 to 10 raised to the power minus 5. The Ka value of for acetic acid is equal to 1.74 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Then ionization constant Ka is equal to K equation concentration of water is equal to concentration of RCOO negative charge into concentration of H plus ion divided by concentration of RCOOH. The pKa value for carboxylic acid fallen within the range of 4 to 5. pKa value for acetic acid is equal to 4.76. So that therefore pK is equal to minus log Ka. Why carboxylic acid is more acidic than alcohol? First one, lesser the pKa, greater the acidity is equal to pKa value for acid is 4 to 5 and alcohol is 14 to 16. Ionization of carboxylic acid leads to delocalization or shifting of negative charge from one oxygen to another, hence separation and creation of unlike charge to produce forced drive to ionize. So, equilibrium shifted to right side and carboxylic acid ionized fastly than alcohol. Ionization of alcohol to produce anion and there is no delocalization of charge and hence ionized slowly and equilibrium shifted to left. So, here is the two equilibrium reaction, one for carboxylic acid and one for alcohol. Why carboxylic acid is more acidic than alcohol? There is a difference in electron negativity between carbon and oxygen. There is a partial positive charge on carbonyl carbon which influences polarization of electrons in OH bond. Electron withdrawing effect of carbonyl carbon weaken OH bond and facilitate ionization of carboxylic acid compared to alcohol. Effect of substituents on acidity of carboxylic acid. Electron withdrawing group, that is ClBrF, increases acidity. Electron withdrawing group withdraws electron density from the carboxyl group and equilibrium shifted to right, that increases acidity of carboxylic acid. Electron releasing group, that is OH NH2, decreases acidity. Electron donating group adds electron density to carboxyl group and equilibrium shifted to left, that increases acidity of carboxylic acid. So here is the carboxylic acid is weak acid and amide is less acidic than carboxylic acid and acyl chloride more acidic than carboxylic acid. Physical properties of carboxylic acid. Lower carboxylic acid are liquid with disagreeable odor. Boiling point and melting point of carboxylic acid increases with increasing molecular weight. Carboxylic acid is associated with dimeric structure and molecular intermolecular interaction with each other, so it has a higher boiling point. Carboxylic acid also interact with water molecule by hydrogen bonding through carbonyl group, hydroxyl group and hydroxyl group, and because of hydrogen bonding interaction, carboxylic acid are more water soluble than alcohol, ether, aldehyde and ketones. IR spectroscopy, that is electromagnetic resonance, IR stretches of carbonyl group is observed at 1700 centimeter inverse to 1725 centimeter inverse. NMR spectroscopy, the chemical shift of carbonyl compounds are observed at delta minus 2.2 point to delta minus 2.5. Here is the various method of preparation of carboxyl acid. First one, oxidation of primary alcohol and aldehyde, oxidation of alkene, hydrolysis of nitrile, hydration of ester, carboxylation of Grignard method, carboxylation of alkenes from malonic ester. Method of preparation of carboxylic acid. First one, oxidation of primary alcohol and aldehyde. Here, primary alcohol and aldehyde on oxidation with sodium or potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7 plus dilute H2SO4, gives corresponding carboxylic acid. Here is the primary alcohol which is oxidized with nascent oxygen in presence of K2Cr2O7 gives aldehyde. Aldehyde on further oxidation with same reagent, that is nascent oxygen plus K2Cr2O7 and dilute H2SO4 gives acid. Here is the example of ethyl alcohol. From ethyl alcohol, here is the oxidation carry out. We will produce acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde on further oxidation gives acetic acid. Oxidation of alkenes. So alkenes react with basic potassium permanganate under vigorous condition to produce carboxylic acid. Alkene in presence of KMnO4 and water gives carboxylic 2 molecules of carboxylic acid. Here is the example of 2-butene. 2-butene undergoes oxidation with same potassium permanganate and water to gives 2 molecules of acetic acid. Here is the mechanism for oxidation of alkene. The next one is hydrolysis of nitriles. Nitriles gives carboxylic acid on hydrolysis in acidic or basic solution. Acidic hydrolysis, in presence of acidic hydrolysis H2O and H plus ion to produce carboxylic acid, and in basic hydrolysis with the same nitriles in presence of H2O and hydroxyl ion gives first anion of carboxylic acid, and that further undergoes H2O hydration which produce carboxylic acid. Method of preparation of carboxylic acid, in that fourth one is hydrolysis of ester. When ethyl acetate is react with NaOH, that is concentrated aqueous solution of NaOH, produce sodium acetate which further treatment with HCl to produce acetic acid. Method of preparation of carboxylic acid, in presence of Grignard reagent, that is alkyl halide is first converted into corresponding Grignard reagent and allowed to react with carbon dioxide and further hydrolysis to give carboxylic acid. So here is the Rx, that is alkyl halide in presence of magnesium anhydrous ether. First magnesium added into alkyl halide to produce RMgX. So it having further carboxylation gives RC double bond O, OMgX. Then this compound further hydrolysis to gives carboxylic acid. Here is the ethyl bromide example. From ethyl bromide, in presence of Grignard reagent, it is converted to ethyl magnesium bromide. Further, ethyl magnesium bromide react with CO2 and then produce addition product, and further hydrolysis to gives propionic acid. Carboxylation of alkenes. The alkenes is heated with carbon monoxide CO and steam under pressure at 300 to 400 degrees Celsius in the presence of phosphoric acid as a catalyst. So it will produce propionic acid. Then from malonic ester, alkyl halide react with sodium derivative of diethyl malonate to give substituted malonic ester, and under this condition undergoes decarboxylation to give acid. Here is the example of alkyl halide which is treated with sodium diethyl malonate in presence of NaX gives addition product which is having malonic. Then further hydrolysis gives product, and then that product having further decarboxylation to gives carboxylic acid. Reactions of carboxylic acid, in that first salt formation, second formation of acyl halide, third formation of amide, fourth formation of anhydride, fifth formation of esters, sixth esterifications using diazomethane, seventh reduction with aluminium hydride, eight reduction with diboron, nine alpha halogenation. Salt formation. Carboxylic acid in presence of NaOH gives sodium salt of carboxylate. Then in presence of carboxylic acid plus NaHCO3 gives sodium salt of carboxylate plus water plus CO2. In presence of NH3 and carboxylic acid produce ammonium carboxylate plus water. Formation of acyl halide. In presence of acetic acid and phosphorus pentachloride, that is PCl5, produce acetyl chloride. Here one molecule of chloride which transfer to acetic acid, and here one molecule of hydrogen is uh, connected to chloride ion to produce HCl. Then here is a 3 molecules of Cl and 1 molecule of P, that is phosphorus, and 1 molecule of oxygen. So we will get acetyl chloride plus PoCl3 plus HCl. Same acetic acid when react with PCl3, that is phosphorus tetrachloride, gives 3 molecules of acetyl chloride plus H3PO3. Same acetic acid when react with SOCl2 produce acetyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl. Formation of amides. So carboxylic acid react with ammonia to give salt, which on heating yield amide. So here is the example of acetic acid which react with ammonia. We will get ammonium acetate, which on further hydrolysis gives acetamide. Formation of anhydride. Two molecules of acetic acid when react with P2O5, that is phosphorus pentoxide, to form acetic anhydride plus water molecule. Here is the removal of water molecule from 2-acetic acid, and we will get the product acetic anhydride. Formation of ester. So carboxylic acid react with alcohol in the presence of strong acid to form ester. So here is a one is acetic acid, one is methanol. From both we there is a hydrolysis, that is removal of water molecule. We will get methyl acetate plus water. Methyl acetate is a ester. The next one is esterification using diazomethane. Acid plus diazomethane react with each other. We will get methyl ester. Here is a transfer of one hydrogen from acid to CH3, and all CH3 and 2 is transferred to main acids. Then we will get methyl ester. Example, acetic acid diazomethane, we will get dimethyl ester. Reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. So acid in presence of lithium aluminum hydride and ether in presence of water molecule converted to alcohol plus lithium hydroxide plus aluminum hydroxide. So acetic acid when react with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether and water produce ethanol plus lithium hydroxide plus aluminum hydroxide. Reduction with diboron. So benzoic acid react with BH3 and THF in presence of water and HCl produce benzyl alcohol. Alpha halogenation, acid plus Cl2 in presence of phosphorus produce halogenated acids. Example, propionic acid plus Cl2 in presence of phosphorus produce chloropropionic acid plus HCl. Then qualitative test for carboxylic acid. First test is sodium bicarbonate test. So 0.2 to 0.3 gram of compound plus 2 ml of saturated solution of NaHCO3. Reaction gives observation strong effervescence of CO2 and inference is carboxylic acid. Then second test is esterification test. In that 0.2 gram of sample in test tube, 10 drops of ethyl alcohol, 2 drops of concentrated H2SO4 produce fragrant smell carboxylic acid. Then fluorescein test, 0.1 gram sample, 0.1 gram resorcinol plus 0.5 ml of concentrated H2SO4. Heat the mixture, pour into beaker containing dilute NaOH, produce green fluorescence. It will also shows carboxylic acid. Then next is qualitative test for ester, phenolphthalein test. In that 0.1 gram of sample plus water plus 2 drops of phenolphthalein plus dilute NaOH solution drop by drop till pink color persists. Observation is disappearance of pink color. Inference is ester group present. Then next test is hydroxamic acid test. Mix 0.5 gram of compound with hydroxylamine in ethanol and ethanolic sodium hydroxide. Heat and cool that mixture. Add HCl and then add FeCl3. We will observe deep red color, which is presence of ester group. So here is a certain carboxylic acid which are acetic acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, succinic acid, oxalic acid, salicylic acid, benzoic acid, benzyl benzoate, then dimethyl phthalate, methyl salicylate and acetyl salicylate. And here is the structure for all that compound and uses. So acetic acid use synthesis of acetone, ester, cellulose acetate and polyvinyl acetate, perfume industries, plastic dyes and pharmaceuticals. Lactic acid use food preservative, curing agent, flavoring agent, decontaminant for meat process. Then tartaric acid use carbo carbonated beverages and effervescence tablet, baking powder, then modern silvering of mirror, tannin for preservating of rock salt and emetic tartar. Citric acid use laxative, acidulant in carbonated soft drink, jams, jellies, candies, ferric ammonium citrate as a blueprint paper, esters. Then succinic acid use, manufacturing of liqueurs, dyes, volumetric analysis for acid-base titration. Oxalic acid, redox titration, ink stain remover, modern tin dyeing and silico printing, manufacture of ink and metal polishes, allyl alcohol and formic acid. Salicylic acid use keratolytic as a then treatment of acne, anti-dandruff and paralysis. Sorry, psoriasis. The next one is salicylic acid, keratolytic, treat, no, sorry, benzoic acid, germicide, urinary tract infection and disinfections, food preservate, sodium benzoate. Then benzyl benzoate, treatment of scabies, spasmolytic, then excipient in testosterone replacement medication. Dimethyl phthalate insert repellent for mosquitoes and flies. Spectroparasiticides, then solid rocks repellent plastics. Then methyl salicylate muscles relaxant for pain, arthritis, blushing and blackhead. Acetyl salicylate painkiller, anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant. Thank you.